Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, I have a word of the day for you, and that is acceptance. What do you need to accept? To my Sagittarius, maybe you need to accept your greatness. Maybe you need to accept that you guys are on your way to skyrocket, to new levels, new seasons, and breakthrough. But it takes work. You got to get down. You got to get dirty. You have to be tedious. You got to make sure that you are consistent every single day. Greatness comes with work. Blessings and greatness carry their own weight. It's not weightless, just like negative energy that can weigh you down. Blessings carry their own weight, but if you put in the work, accept what you need to accept, put in the rightful work, your blessings will feel like a light feather, will not be a ball and chain. You'll be able to go through rain, sleet, or snow, and you will be able to manifest and keep on moving. But if we don't accept the things that don't benefit us, if we keep our burdens, when our blessings come, that's going to be an extra weight that's going to bury us, and it's going to be even harder to maintain. Even on those hard days, we never want to drop our blessings. We don't speak that to existence. I accept every step that my life presents to me without resistance. We're forever evolving, changing, will never stay the same, so you might as well go with the flow, because change is going to happen. We don't always get our way how we want, but we will get our way for the best of our abilities and for the best of our futures and for what's best for us, what we came here for our calling. I try to find out what the universe is trying to teach me so I can grow. When you grow, you become stronger. Therefore, you can carry more weight. That means more blessings can come to you. More great opportunities can come to you. When small issues, obstacles come to your way, you're able to shrug it off. It's like water off a duck's back. It just rolls right off because you are strong enough and you understand that you don't bury yourself with bad energy. You only manifest and keep going, staying optimistic and positive. Or the rules of the universe is our body's like a magnet. Whatever we put in, that's what we bring out. Positive energy brings breakthroughs and manifestations. Negative energy brings lessons and obstacles which you don't need. I advance in my freedom and my path to light because you believe in yourself. Accept your place. You're always going to change. People that you're hanging around, you're going to change. Your hobbies are going to change, but change means excelling. It means evolution. So love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe to this page. Been a blessing to you. I love you.